Okay, we're gonna first check out here from, I don't know, the northwest area, more north. This is where stuff's starting now. I mean, you can see over here, go to east and then the south. There's some blue skies there, but then over here to the west, southwest, coming from Valley High School, it doesn't look good. Oh, we have somebody else out here on the deck with the two dogs. That would be Brother Luke. All right, let's look to see what's going on over here. Do we still have some blue skies? We do still have some blue skies, but this is coming. We got some stuff coming. I have to say, the rain is now spitting. I'm out here, give you a better view. This would be dead north. Look at that. Look at that grass. So we've got some wind coming around the house here. This big oak over here. And you can still see some blue skies over there, probably near above Flyers Field, and then heading over to Jerry's Custard. But what is going on here? It's swirling. A little bit of rain. That tree's looking good now. It's getting lifted up. That tree's getting lifted up. That was a good wind there. Oh, I saw a lightning bolt. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where's that thunder? 11, 12, 13. That looks like a tornadic type of movement there with those leaves that I never got down there. Should have picked them leaves up. Thank you, wind. Still blue skies out that way, but we are in the midst of something twirling. I'm not getting wet here. The house is blocking me. This thing is coming from west and north. This thing's coming from west and north. So if you get your radars and look at it, you're gonna see something happening from the west and north. Look at that rain, must be hitting the front of the house. I wonder if them birds are hurting in those nests. Here's some, look at that. See that stuff lifting? This is a storm. Let's look at the back trees for a while. They're going. They're making you swerve. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. They're moving. All right, I'm getting a little wet now, so the wind's calmed down, so it's coming straight down. It's not being blocked by the house anymore. Less wind. Look at the trees calm down. Have we escaped with that's it? Have we escaped without? Nope, it's come. Look at it from the west off of Ed's roof. Yeah, I'm getting wet, and so is my papers. This is not good. Not good at all. Okay. Let's pull this in a little bit here. We got some rain coming from the west. It seemed to be coming from the north. It's twirling. We must be in this low pressure system. I'm getting wet. Where it's twirling in all directions. Looks like it's coming around us, doesn't it? Could we be in the middle of a tornado? My phone did not give us a warning. My phone did not give us a warning, but it is blowing. Is Luke still here? Yes, he is. They're the dogs. You under control? We got some action over here. Look at that. Look at that. This is a good one. Oh, yeah. Whoa, something's going. I heard something crack. I heard something crack. We'll have to check the trees after this. Look at this. We are in the midst of some twirling. Wow, look at that tree over there. Luke, go downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Get Chia. Chia! Go downstairs. Oh, our door just opened. No. We got a mess out front here. We got a mess out front. Gia, we're in a tornado, I believe. Put something on, get downstairs. Let's go, Luke. Get the dogs down here. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Quickly, get Luke down here. This is all on film. All right, got the screen door open now. Yes, it was twirling. It was twirling. Still is a little bit here. Something cracked down over the hill. And I believe we are still in a twirl. That front door went flying open when I opened up the back door. Yeah, it's coming off Ed's roof pretty good. This looks like something in Miami. Watch those trees down there. Something's gonna happen. I hope these trees don't fall. I hear something. I hear timber. I definitely hear timber. Wow. Whoa, man. Did it? Look at this. We're in the middle of some circling stuff. This could be a tornado of some sort. I got everything on film here, Gia. Hey, listen, it could pull this door. Just be ready to shut everything. Is everybody down here? Get Luke. Get him downstairs. Our front is, make sure that door is shut. I should have locked it. Lock that front door.
Oh my God, Dad.
What?
The cushion.
I'm not worried about the cushions. Is the front door locked?
It's locked. It's shut.
Where's Luke? Lock it.
I don't know where he is. Can I please pull it?
He's at the kitchen table eating. We're in the middle of a tornado. Turn that light on.
It's the power's out.
The power's out. Is this what you do during a tornado?
I'm just gonna pull this all in.
Please go downstairs. Do you practice this at school? Look at the trees outside, Luke. Look at everything.
Dad, I'm just gonna go. Can I just go to the stairs?
Come on, let's go. Bring the food with you.
Can I just put this inside?
No,
It's
don't.
gonna blow away.
They're not going to blow away. Bring the food with you. Let's go. Or hurry up. Let me check the conditions outside. Let me see if we still have tornadic conditions. Well, everything here got soaked. That gutter still leaks. Can't tell now. Everything getting crushed. There's this power cord. Yeah, we still got some wind. We still got wind. Bolt of lightning. That was within a half mile or less. That was within a half mile or less. All right, listen. Back downstairs. Let's go. It gets picked up again. Where is he?
Luke was eating. I was sleeping. Luke's eating at the dinner table.
He's not there now, is he?
No.
Where'd he go?
I can't hear. Our power died. Is our power out?
Hey, I'm checking for any stragglers here. We need everyone downstairs.
Going downstairs alone.
You're not going downstairs? I put them ferns out there to get water and they get crushed. Is this door stuck? I think it's broke. Yeah, right here, look what it did. That's when that came open.
That's my first person. I was just Let's woke me up. Okay, calm down now.
You coming out? Yep, there's fire trucks. You can hear the fire trucks. 11 and a half minutes into this video. What? Call Mom. Because she was down there at Rite Aid. She was supposed to come back this way. She passed the house up before the storm to go down to Rite Aid. Call her up. Find out what. Call Mom. Close the door. Definitely heard some cracking down there earlier. Something down in that area right through there broke. Leave the newspaper there. Just leave it on the table. Okay, it's the only dry spot on the table. Put that inside. All right, girls. That was the windiest wind I've seen since I lived here. That was the windiest wind. I got it all on film. I'm at 14 minutes now. It's just raining, no wind. I heard fire whistles going. Did you talk to your mother? See ya? There's a bunch of trees down. It was something. We saw it whipping through the houses here. I had the beginning. You can watch the beginning of it. I was standing over here at the beginning. This is the end. And this is where it started.